Welcome to You Into Survival. Today, we're going to be going over a little present that the boys got for me. A little present called the Kurtir Pocket Chain, 36-inch long blade. So basically what it is it's a chainsaw blade that has a couple of handles on it, and you can use it manually. So we're going to go out in the garage, and we're going to test it.
Look, get my foot in the video.
Yeah, get your foot in the video. Okay, everybody out to the garage. He doesn't have any shoes on. His feet are going to be cold, huh? You guys are insane. No, put down this up. Comes in a little pouch that you can put on your belt. Keep with you. We'll go try this when we're hiking. Maybe we'll go try it out in the wilderness. We'll try to cut something down. Okay, and that's it. Here we go. So that's what it is. You have two handles that are like that. Put your hands through. And then a chain that looks just like a chainsaw blade. So we'll see how it works. This is dry wood. That thing's impressive! You gotta be kidding me! That's amazing! All right, so that was pretty impressive. So I did not expect it to work that well and that easily. So I think the kids actually might be able to use it. We're gonna try it out. It was safely, definitely safely. Mommy, if you're watching this, we're being safe. So you pull first, and then Riley pulls. Good that cut is. That's amazing.
With just the kids.
That cut is so smooth. Probably because it took him like 9 years to cut it. Now please enjoy some B-roll footage while you listen to a Yanni-esque soundscape. Inches cut through it in like 30 seconds. Nice and clean. Impressive. Overall, I'm super impressed with this Kurtir Pocket Chain. This is amazing. I'm actually going to use this on campouts now. We might go build like a log cabin with it or a little survival shelter with it. I think it'd be super fun. Anyways, if you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I wonder what else I could cut.